Hello everyone, Gyannochi Sanok and welcome to my channel. Dr. Nandipha Magudumana is not giving up without exhausting all available legal options. She's now taking her legal fight to the Constitutional Court in a bid to overturn the decision by the Supreme Court of Appeal, which is SCA. This comes after her appeal to challenge her extradition from Tanzania was dismissed on the 16th of May 2025. Nandipha failed to convince the SCA that she was unlawfully forced back to South Africa after being arrested in Tanzania alongside escaped convict and boyfriend Thabo Bester in April 2023. Now she's seeking permission to appeal the SCA's majority judgment, claiming her extradition violated her rights. Her legal team is sticking to the argument that her constitutional rights were infringed, that she should be released immediately, and all charges declared null and void. Meanwhile, Nandipha is currently in prison awaiting trial set to begin in July 2025. She's facing multiple charges for helping Thabo Bester escape prison in May 2022. I think if she pleaded guilty in 2023, she'd probably be on the verge of being released. Plus, she's a first-time offender. But hey, I guess she feels like she's got nothing to lose, and when you have the money, why not take bold chances that might seem stupid to others but could pay off big time if they work out? At what cost though? This trial is going to drag for sure, and if she's found guilty, only then will she start serving time. Meanwhile, if she had just pleaded guilty in 2023, she'd probably be closer to seeing her daughters by now. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.